Hey guys, it's Brittany. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you are returning, then what's up? Today we are doing make this house a home, and we have some projects that's gonna happen. Today is Saturday. It is currently about 7:30, and we are gonna get a wall painted today, and I have some chairs that I need to put together, and then on that wall we're gonna hang that little mirror right there. Well, I'm not gonna hang anything or paint anything. I am gonna put together the chairs, but I have a guy coming over to paint and to hang that mirror for me. So we have a few little projects to do today. I'm gonna show you guys the wall before. So this is the wall that we're gonna get painted. Those are just some little stickers to kind of map out where my TV is gonna go. But that is the wall. So yeah, I'm excited about everything. I think it's gonna look cute. And then this is that area where the mirror is gonna go. So 1, 2, and 3, these are the chairs that we have to put together. There's 2 chairs in each box, so a total of 6 chairs. We were thinking we were gonna have a table, but as you all know, we don't. So that's a whole nother story. But we are waiting for the table to come in. But we have these chairs, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that together probably today. And that's about all that's gonna happen today.
That I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. I'm just this feel feeling every day.
Strong black woman. Strong black woman. She moved out all by herself. Denim. I don't think these are it, Mom. I don't know if I like these. This looks like denim. Yes, seriously, dude. I need some light in this front. Supposed to be, this is supposed to be charcoal gray. I don't like it. It looks like denim. Looks bad. The fabric was not black. The fabric. These are what came in. I'm not happy about it. It looks like denim. Huh? Yeah, did you look at the picture yet? They're not good at all. And they feel cheap. Well, these are going back. Might as well put them right back in the box because I don't like them. Y'all, this is when ordering online goes wrong. I really like these chairs online, but in person, I don't like them. So we don't have any chairs to put together today. And the other part is have 2 bar stools that match these chairs also getting delivered today. That's funny. So yeah, I don't know what I gotta do about that. Maybe I should see if I can return them. Like they come to deliver them. No, just go ahead and take those back, please. I'm laughing because what else is there for me to do? My mom was like, maybe I should put one together and see like if I like it. But I don't like the seat. It looks like a pair of denim pants. To me. She says she doesn't see the blue, but to me, I see blue. And I love denim. But not for my chairs, for my living room. I mean, for my dining room, table, whatever. I don't know. So I had posted my bar stools up for sale, but I didn't get any hits, which maybe that was a good thing. So I found the dining room, I found chairs that matches the bar stools, but they're black, the table's black. So like, do I want black on black, or do I think I need a little more contrast? I don't know. Which is why I went with these chairs, because it was like the cushions were charcoal gray, the legs of the chairs were black, the arms had a little gold on them. I was thinking that would be a good little contrast to break it up, but I don't know. They also have the same bar stools in white. The bar stool, the chairs that match my bar stool, they have them in white. I'll include a picture of what the bar stool look like, because y'all probably like, what the heck is she talking about? And you can't probably hardly see it because I got stuff on the chairs. But yeah, so I don't know. I'm a little disappointed because I was super excited yesterday when they got dropped off, but baby, these came from what's that place called? Home Depot. Is going back to Home Depot. I don't have a truck to take these big boxes back. Like, y'all, look how big these boxes are. Okay, they are at least almost to my hip. My car can't fit that in there. So yeah, I gotta figure that out. And then I also gotta figure out the I gotta figure out the bar stools. Okay, I got sidetracked. I was supposed to be looking to see if I could do a return, or do I have to wait till they deliver? Cause baby, maybe if I call Wayfair, they'll schedule a pickup, because I had a mirror one time that I sent back and I couldn't fit in my car. I think they let me schedule a pickup. And the crazy thing is, I really love my bar stool chairs that I already have. So maybe it's just God working for me. Cause I remember, well, when I posted them on 2 sites to sell, and I haven't really gotten any hits. Like talking about, I had people inquire, but I feel like they was bots. But I remember like sitting them, I was like, I really love these chairs. They're so comfortable. I'll figure that out. All right, y'all, I'm about to go because I'm in the poo-poo mood. I'm not in the poo-poo mood. I am in the mood, but it's okay. It's all good. I just might be out $38 because it said I had to pay $38 for them to pick it up from my house. So, I mean, such is life. I'll probably waste $38 this weekend on something I don't need. So, anywho, I am ready for the painter to come. I need to go get the paint out of the garage. Let's go do that. Ooh, it's cold. It's cold. It's cold. We gotta walk around because apparently I pulled my car up so close that I can't go behind. Oh wait, where's the paint? Cause it ain't that little thing. Oh, I know. I know where it is. It's still in the house apparently. I never took it out. Okay, let's go. Let's go back inside. Okay, now let's for real get the paint. Okay, so we're gonna get the paint so that he could be ready. I need to go to the AT&T. I mean, not AT&T. What is that thing called? Where you get money from? The what is that thing called? The ATM. Okay, y'all, I just had a moment. That is the paint. Y'all, I really just had a moment. I thought, well, I need to go to AT&T. I can't think of what it's called. The ATM. I really need to take something for my memory because I feel like, whew, lately, baby, lately, she been acting weird, and I don't like that. So, anyways, all right, I'm gonna get myself together. I'll get back at y'all later. We have a little bit less home things to do today, but it is what it is. We still have some exciting things that's gonna happen today, so.
no stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will.
Alright, y'all. I am back and everything is done and it looks so good, okay? So this is the wall with the mirror, and I decided to center the mirror to the wall and not to the couch, because if it was centered to the couch it would have been more over here, but I decided to center it with the wall. So it's centered with the wall. I think it looks gorgeous. And y'all, the paint on the wall looks really nice. I am also glad I didn't go darker, because I was gonna get a darker color. There it is. It looks so good to me. I am really happy with this. It looks really good. I really like it. So I need to hook back up the internet, and I want to fix this rug. I need to push it back some, so I'm gonna get ready to do that. You guys can just enjoy the ride.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair, yeah. Something that makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you.
Alright, I just cleaned the mirror and I moved the couches because I need to move my rug over and forward, I think is what I said. So I had to move the couch a little bit so that I could make space to do that. So that is what we're doing.
Hello stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky.
Hopefully this is where I want it, because I'm not doing it again. It's gonna stay in how this is helped. Move the next little.
But since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just
The rug needs to come up to about this line right here. So see if I can do it without having to move all the furniture out of the way.
Baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Okay, I think I got it right, y'all. Those times in life, when you be like, I don't need a man, they're still very true, okay? You don't need it. But right now, I want one to help me move this furniture. Because I'm tired and I'm hot. Okay, one more piece to move and then we're done. Y'all, what if I did all that work and the rug is still in the same place? I'm gonna lose it. If that's okay. But it's okay. Okay.
Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder,
So that's done. I'm gonna sit down for a little bit, and then I gotta move that table over there and put the stuff back on the other shelf. I'll be back. All right, guys. So we have a package that has been delivered, but we already know it's gonna get returned. So I'm gonna go and struggle and bring that in. Well, bringing that in wasn't too hard, but I'm not even gonna open it because I don't like the other chairs. So yeah. So today's Monday and we are going to mail off those boxes right here. I need to push them outside my front door. And y'all, guess what? I was looking for my packing tape and I couldn't find it. So I took some tape off of an old box and I put it on it, and then I found my actual packing tape. So yeah, so the goal is to push all 3 of those outside and put them out there. That box is gonna go back, but I need to print off a shipping label, so I'll do that today, and then that box will be ready to go back tomorrow. So let's get started. And I only have a short time because I have to go to work.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate.
I got all those boxes outside, which is great. We are still on the hunt for some kitchen table chairs. I got a black table and I don't really want to get black chairs because I feel like it's just too heavy. Like it's gonna be too dark in that area. So yeah, and right now I'm keeping the bar stools that I have because I've been going back and forth about the black chairs, but I'm almost sure that I don't want black chairs. Almost. So yeah, I'll get at you guys later. I don't have any more updates. That was just something I needed to do this morning, and I need to hurry up because I need to get out of the house. So get at y'all later.